If your C drive is always full, don't delete files, just redirect them. In this video, I'll show you a 100% safe and beginner-friendly way to make Windows save everything to your D drive by default in order to maintain sufficient space on your system drive where Windows is installed and keep your PC fast and organized. Let's change default drive from C to D. Before we begin, here is the smart part. You are going to manually create identical folders on the D drive first, because when you redirect a folder like your pictures, music, or downloads, it's best to have a clean target ready. So let's head to your D drive and create these 5 folders. Right-click anywhere in the drive and select New. Click Folder to create a new folder and name it something identical. Let's do the same for other folders so that we can have all our files directed to D drive automatically in an organized fashion. You can add a desktop folder if you prefer. Now we are ready. Let's redirect downloads to D for the first step. You'll see your user folders like downloads or documents at the side panel. Right-click on downloads. Select properties from the context menu. Go to the location tab. This shows the current path, usually something like this, and click move. Then choose where new content is saved. Navigate to the downloads folder in your D drive or the new folder you just created. And click select folder. Confirm the path and apply the change. After you click apply, Windows will show you a prompt asking whether you want to move all the existing files from the old location to the new one. If you click yes, Windows will move everything, like your old downloads, to the new folder on the D drive. This helps keep all your files in one place. But if you click no, only new files will be saved to the new location. Your old files will stay where they are, and Windows will just start using the new folder for future saves. In this video, we'll click no because the goal is not to move old files, but to simply change the default save location going forward. When done, click OK to complete the process. This is a clean and safe way to free up space on your C drive without touching anything that's already there. Now let's repeat these exact steps for other folders. Right-click the Pictures folder, select Properties, go to the Location tab and click Move. Now choose the Pictures folder you created on the D drive, then click Select Folder and hit Apply. When asked about moving existing files, click No. We are only changing the default save location. Click OK to finish. Next up is Music. Same process. Right-click on Music, go to Properties, then Location. Click Move. Browse to Music. Select it. Hit Apply. And again, choose No when prompted. Click OK. Now let's do videos. Right-click the videos folder, open Properties, go to the Location tab and hit Move. Navigate to the videos folder on the D drive. Confirm the folder. Apply the change and select No when Windows asks to move your old files. Click OK. Lastly, we will redirect documents. Right-click Documents, choose Properties, open the Location tab, click Move, and pick Documents in the drive D. Hit Select Folder, click Apply, and once again, choose No to keep your existing files in place. Now, whenever you save files to documents, downloads, music, or pictures, or even videos, Windows will automatically save them to your D drive, not your C drive.